Hello. Recently, someone asked me about the signs worried and frustrated. Both are emotions, and the signs are similar. You'll see. Worry or worried. Worried. Frustrated. Frustrated. Same B hand shape. Frustrated. It's like you're hitting your head against a wall. Frustrated. Sometimes two hands. Frustrated. Notice the difference. Worried is up here, like your mind is the one racing and worrying. And the hands are up here on the sides, not centered. Worried. Frustrated. It's more centered on the face. Frustrated. So the difference is that location, worried versus frustrated. And you tend to have one hand or maybe two for frustrated. Worried, frustrated. Thanks for watching. We have more similar signs videos in this playlist. Check it out.